Hi everyone! This is 2024 Mini Cooper JCW, Jack Cooper Works. The performance parts we have installed right now is the EVENTURI cold air intake. This is purely made of carbon fiber. And the nice thing about the EVENTURI, the normal air filter is facing like this. With them, they are inverted because more air going inside. For the original hood, from the original hood, this is the stock air vent. This is what EVENTURIs make, with holes for air to go inside, as you can see, from here and here, going all the way inside. So, more cold air means more torque increase and power. We'll do a sound check on this EVENTURI intake. Now we're just waiting for the full exhaust REMUS on this unit, the Valtronic type, to arrive. And for the rims and tires on this unit, we are using the OS racing wheels. This is the Super TURISMO series. Very nice center cap with red accent, matched with a side mirror, the roof red. The tires we're using on this one is the MICHELIN PS4 tires. See the stance on the unit. Simplicity is the best. Please subscribe and like my YouTube channel, PRS Car Accessories and Services. And by the way, please beware of fake wheels selling the market. Get your authentic wheels here at PRS. Take care always, guys. We'll do more videos when the remote exhaust system arrives for this unit. Stay tuned always here. Bye!